kindergarten. This is our trimming the tree worksheet. So we're going to do a graph. All right, so basically what we're going to do is categorize these particular ornaments. So the first thing we're going to have to do is cut. So I'm going to get my scissors out and I'm going to cut all my ornaments. So take your time so you don't cut them off by any means. You don't want to cut, you stay right on that dotted line. All right. And then after you cut that frame out, then these guys should be pretty easy to cut out. Maybe you have some of these kind of ornaments on your tree at your house. I have some on mine. I even have a candy cane on mine. All right, so I'm just about done cutting them. Then my job is to sort, okay? So I have my pieces right here, and I'm going to look for ornaments, and they're going to go here. The bulbs that look like this are going to go here. And the candy canes that look like this are going to go in this line, okay? So I'm going to take my glue, and you have glue in your bag of stuff that I've given you, and so I'm going to start. Look at this one. That one matches the ornament, so I'm going to put it right here. You don't need a whole bunch of glue. And then put it right on there. Yep. And then, I have this one. Oh, it matches that, so I'm going to put it there. Just a dab of glue will stick it for you. All right. Oh, look at there. There's a candy cane. That goes in the candy cane roll. All right, and then, oh, look at another ornament. All right. I'm going to put it in the same one. Oh, another ornament. So I'm going to put it in that same row with all the other ornaments. Okay. That's the candy cane. That goes down here. Oh, look at another ornament. Wow, there's sure a lot of ornaments. A candy cane again. Oh, I gotta put it in the candy cane row. So basically what I'm doing, I'm sorting, but also graphing, okay? It's a picture graph. And there is another bulb, okay? And I put that on. After I completely glued all the pieces where they need to go, make sure you put your cap back on your glue so you have it the next time. All right, now this is where I have to look and see. All right, what I want you to do first is I want you to count how many of each one we have. Let's count how many bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. I'm going to put a little 4 here. Little line, big line down. All right, now I'm going to count the bulbs. Ready? 1, 2, 2. Big curve down, little line across. All right, now we'll count how many candy canes we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 candy canes. Little curve, little curve. All right, now here's where we have to answer. Which has the least? So remember, least means the smallest amount. Okay, look at which one it is and circle if it's the ornament, bulb, or candy cane. Now, which has the most? The most means the greatest. The most is the biggest amount. Which one has the most? The ornaments, bulbs, or candy canes. When you finish, you can color, and then I want you to take a picture and send it to me so I can see your work. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see it. Have a great day.